What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to go for a test drive in a 1970 Buick Skylark. It's got a 383 up under the hood with forged pistons, aluminum heads, power steering on this one. As you can see, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, 12-bolt rear. We do have more information on this car at maplemotors.com. Definitely check that out. You get close to 100 detailed pictures, financing options, and yes, we ship these cars all over the nation. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We do test drives and walk-arounds. That way you know exactly what you're coming up here to purchase. All right, guys, we're gonna shut this hood, shut my mouth. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. We'll look around the interior, try some stuff out. They took away my horn pole, guys, so I can't actually do a pole anymore, but you can do it from home. Do you think the horn works? Interior in this thing is pretty nice. This is one of the personal cars from the lot. You can call and talk to Pat. It is his car, but we can all help you out. We are all family. We'll go ahead and start it up here. This one's showing 54,000 miles on the dash, but you know that motor didn't come in this car, so I can't stand behind the mileage. As you can see, the gas gauge did come up. It's a little bit above half a tank. Your oil pressure gauge is probably not working. We haven't had it running long enough to check on that temp gauge, but we do have all aftermarket gauges down here. Oil pressure is up to 60. Water temp is up to 175. Man, this car sounds pretty good. Aluminum heads are coming out. Radio does work. No air conditioner, but the blower motor is blowing nice and hard. Let's try the wipers. They are working. And the horn, you ready? What? No horn? You hear that clicking? Just trying to engage, but I guess the horn is out. All right, guys. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, we're going for a test drive. Got a special guest. We're going to be running around town today. Been sitting here in the parking lot. The temperature got up to 190. It is about 95 degrees today here in Tennessee. Let's see how she runs. Anything I see, you will know about. Sounds like the back passenger rear tire is rubbing a little bit. The car has been lowered, so nothing bad. It's just when you hit a bump, you can kind of hear it. It's going straight down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. The speedometer is off by at least 10 miles an hour. It's showing 60, but it is coming up. Your RPM, tack is working. The car's got some power behind it for sure. I was trying to see if the passing gear was working, but it just took off. Turn signals are working. It sounds like the kick down is hooked up, but she just gets up and goes. Engine temp still at 190. Oil pressure is right below 60. Buick. We're gonna pull into this parking lot here. I'm gonna get some overhead shots, some drive-by shots, that way you can hear what it sounds like on the outside of the car as I'm passing by. You can check out all my gear that I have. I put it below in the description. You can buy any of it off of Amazon. Use my links, it helps me out. But we'll get these shots. Ooh, she tried to chirp the tires back there. That noise that you're hearing is that back right rear tire kind of catching the inner fender just barely. I mean, it's just barely touching it. But it sounds a lot louder inside the cars. right, guys, got y'all back on the virtual head cam here. We're gonna take off. The car's pretty sweet. Engine temp still at 190. Oil pressure still at 60, 55, 60. Everybody say what's up. This is Hammer.
Hey!
Yeah, he came to lunch today. Wanted to join us on the test drive, so jump on in. You may recognize him from the blue motorcycle at the beginning of this video.
Bad crash.
Bad crash? Well, so far so good on this one. It feels awesome. I think you'd enjoy it if you came out and drove it. Kind of wonder if it's got air shocks in the back. If it does, you could just add a little bit of air and keep that back tire from making any noise. I like how they put the RPM gauge right there in the dash too. They got the perfect size gauge for that. It's a nice, quick, clean car all around, and the guy that has it, he used to be a show car guy. He'd take his cars out to the shows and have them pristine, so he's very picky when it comes to how clean his car is. Of course, this one's not perfect. It does have some little bit of paint issues, which we're going to be going over in the walk around video. If you haven't seen the walk around video, definitely check that out. We're coming up on this road here. It's got a decent sized speed bump in it. We're going to hit it at a moderate speed, probably about 30 miles an hour. And kind of test the suspension. You will hear that back end kind of rub a little bit. Like I said, it probably wouldn't rub at all if I was by myself, but this is a good occasion to have somebody with me, so that way y'all know about it before you get here. Here's the speed bump right in the middle of the road. Don't you like the click-clack it makes? It's not a tick-tock, it's a click-clack. Engine temp came down a little bit since we left the parking lot. We were circling around the parking lot, getting on it a little bit, and it never went over 200, so that's a good sign. Try not to turn my head too much and make y'all dizzy. Pulling back in the lot here. We're not technically in the lot because we got the gate blocked right now. We're gonna pull next door. I'm gonna start doing a walk around video, pointing out any of the flaws on the outside, inside of the interior, the trunk. We'll pop the hood and we'll give you some undercarriage shots. So definitely stay tuned for that. The last 30 seconds of this video will put you a link right to it. All right, guys, thanks for riding. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me today. Hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. You can also hit the notification bell and let you know every time I post. Also go to maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and yes, we ship these cars all over the nation. We've got around 1,200 videos here on YouTube, so check that out. All previous inventory is still located on here, so you can check it out. I'm trying to get ahead. This is actually Saturday. You're gonna be seeing this video today, and I'm doing the new Mach 1, the new Nova, the new Chevelle, lots of new cars. So be looking for Monday's update. I've already got videos on most of those, and I'll be posting them Monday. Wait till you see the video, please, to call. And thanks again for watching, guys.